In the shadows of today's booming digital world, many small businesses lurk in the darkness, unaware of the danger that lies ahead. For years, they've relied on traditional methods: flyers, word of mouth, local ads. But the world has shifted, and these tactics are like whispers in a hurricane. Outside, the digital world thrives. Social media, websites, online ads, a digital symphony playing to an audience of billions. But here lies the trap. The guardians of this digital realm, marketing agencies, demand a king's ransom, a fortune far beyond the reach of a humble enterprise. Caught between an ancient past and an expensive future, small businesses with meager budgets face a grim reality. Without embracing digital marketing, their light fades, customers dwindle, leads are lost, and dreams are extinguished. But even in the darkest hour, a spark can ignite a revolution. It's time to step into the light of digital marketing, to find a way where every small business can thrive. Before it's too late, embrace the digital age. Your business, your dream, depends on it.